Hello everyone, today I saw a video from DynamiteREVIT channel, which is a great source of inspiration to start our journey towards BlenderBIM. In that video, she showed us how to create custom doors and windows inside BlenderBIM, which I didn't know and wanted to create my own custom libraries. By the way, please follow DynamiteREVIT's channel and watch those videos before this one, since it's gonna be a dive into an issue that we both had and I had a little bit of free time to figure it out. So here we are in BlenderBIM. We're gonna create a wall and then create a custom simple door with an arch on top. I'm gonna create a cube and set the height about 210 centimeters and make the general shape of it. I'm going to reduce its width by 18 centimeters to make it a 120 centimeters width door. Then we're going to choose two edges and bevel them to create an arch. After that, we inset two exterior faces with Alt-E. We extrude them along normals to come inside a little bit. So this is gonna be our simple door. Now it's time to assign an IFC type to it and give it a door type. The moment we assign it, it will go inside the types collection and will hide. Now we can add it on the wall, and as you can see, the problem shows itself here. The good news is that we can modify it. If we select the wall and press Alt and O, we can see all the voids appear in front of us. We can simply choose the void around our door and hit the tab to enter edit. Here we can choose two vertices and perform the same bevel we did for the main door and hit tab again to exit edit mode. By default, BlenderBIM tries to create a cube-shaped void around complex shapes like a bounding box. As you can see, from now on, all of our doors from this family will be fixed and updated with the new void. I'm going to post more in this channel about our love creation in 3D world. Till the next time, take care and bye.